distinguished guests, and a wonderful audience. Welcome to the launch of TallyPrime 4.0.
So it's time to marry your business to Tally. Why? What's a feature they have introduced this time? E is Excel import, so you can import your masters and the transaction data through Excel, and D is dashboards. Now you have intuitive dashboards. Widespread reach through WhatsApp, easy import through Excel, and dynamic dashboards. That is what Tally has done with TallyPrime 4.0.
It's a proud moment to join Tally team during the launch of Tally 4.0, and it's very interactive and very user friendly, very simply also. So thank you Tally, and I congratulate Tally team for launching Tally 4.0 in the Middle East region.